It's the evening of July the 9th, and all the treads are now in place. I would run on down and show you from the bottom, but most of you probably know that I injured my ankle yesterday, well, 2 days ago, and I am still healing, but the treads are in place. The landing has been the stone has been inserted, and the top 3 treads from the left and the right stair have also been placed. Well, they're actually mudded in. The top ones are just temporary because we need to get this walk. There's one step off of here, and the height of this is the height of the walkway that comes this way. Let me hobble around a little bit. And let me walk over here. And let me pivot around a little bit. I have cleared this space, or we have cleared this space, which will provide for the walkway. And so we're gonna have a walkway that starts here, one step down. We'll stay 4 feet away from this landing right here, and then of course 4 feet away, maybe as much as 5 feet here, to end up back here inside the walkway of the workshop. So yes, some stuff has happened. The concrete guys are off this week, but it does look nice to see. One pivot here so I can get out of the way, and looks like it's getting there. So our backyard looks a lot clearer. This material is probably going to end up in the planters once I have a chance to waterproof it. It actually looks like a pretty big hole. Got a little bit of cleanup work to do down below. Extend the drain up higher. That's water. This right here should be low voltage lighting, and then I've got another low voltage lighting that goes over through here underneath and to the back side of that wall, so we can put a couple lights in the wall right here. So of course this will all have a stone veneer. Pilasters will have a stone veneer. The reason the rebar is still sticking out is we still haven't locked in a height. I don't want to lock in a height until we get the walkways paved, which will be, or concreted in, which will be in probably by 2 weeks from today. We should already have concrete in place.